Welcome to the Politricks Watch. This is Sir P. Dr. Umbre is having the week from all time worst nightmare. Things spooky for Umbre right now. People are linking me and say, yo, you see it though? What go on in them work together to get out Umbre, cause how come all this happen one time? I don't know. But even if that was the case, Umbre make him bed. And when you make a bed, you have to lie down in night. When you drop the video, I'm tell you, say, in response to the PNP clown friends, Dr. Umbre probably work on buying a new clocks, a new mad clocks and Sabak. Might get all 1, 2, 3 DJ if you answer back. Okay, you know, Iron politics, entertainment and gimmicks, a clown thing. And in that video, I tell you, say, a next movie might go make is change his name from Brogad to Choplawd. But based on me, I say I come out right now regarding the whole, integrity commission and accounts over here, and money I go over here, so and it look like Umbre new name might actually have to go be Choplawd. A joke me that make before about Choplawd, but actually looking like Choplawd now. Some kind of cross is up on Iron people, because I don't know what little Jamaica do for deserve this. Next election it's shaping up to be Choplawd versus Marky Saxon. Cancer versus AIDS, pick your poison. Now of course whenever these things happen, all kind of people link me. I say all kind of things. Man I tell me say, yeah but what Umbre do is what everybody else do. And even the same people in the PNP what about this, them do the same thing. And even the same people in Jamaica business, them do the same thing. I agree. The accounting wizardry where you see Umbre them a do, get done right across the board. People are pointing finger for Umbre right now, do the same thing. But here's the reason why that argument don't hold up when the rubber meet the road. Them people they are the Prime Minister of Jamaica. This whole heap of, yeah, but a man they from down there say do the same thing, so how come the bad not up that the man they from down there is not the Prime Minister of Jamaica guy? What them all Umbre for? Our Umbre and the scrutiny for? I want the right crossed Iron Man. Me tell you this, nobody can win a principal warrior say no. There's no morality warrior say no between PNP and JLP no. It can't stand AIDS. Politics is a spooky, grimy, and hypocritical game. But that is the game. Andrew Holness is Prime Minister of Jamaica. Whether you want like that or not, he gets held to a different standard. That's the problem with no found love. Beat chest out, but man a yard down and lead down our king. Whenever you're the saying, heavy is the head that wears the crown. Or if you want me king or something and a ball boat, people. That is ridiculous. Just like how I accept the fact that the PIA movement is going to come under more scrutiny, more condemnation, more attacks than Vulture Squad. Because the PIA thing different. Our thing different. Check the scoreboard. Almost at 180 million. Amount of times people tune in, the thing the normal. So you think that gonna happen? Expect to get treated like everybody else? No guy. Heavy is the head. What do you mean Umbre I do what other man do? Other man is not Prime Minister of Jamaica. Umbre, you're dangerous guy. Dr. Umbre, you're dangerous. So, who is Dr. Umbre accountant? The accountant dangerous to you know? Because the accountant couldn't tell Umbre say, yo, I could file something dog. Cause you think mad. I could just put in something. I could just make it look like we are try. Make we at least put in 1,000 Jamaican dollar and 2 staggerback. Remember staggerback? Make we at least file 1,000 Jamaican dollar and 2 staggerback. It look away dog. We can't go out so. Some want to know if a Umbre wicked or the accountant wicked. And almost Umbre cause the accountant can't tell Umbre for the end of the day. You have to sign off on it and agree to it. Umbre, you're dangerous guy. You're dangerous. Listen, if people were honest, they will tell you say them not like pay tax. Most people look on paying tax like how they look on paying JPS like this. But Umbre, you're dangerous guy. It can't be Brogad no more, Choplawd. Choplawd up on internet right now and search for mad clocks. And him step out in now go now man. Between the tactics where Marky Saxon and co pull off my umbre, the puppets some of them go draw for draw in people. The Mickey Mouse operation, then send Ghana Haiti. And then now Integrity Commission go drop them here. Umbre is having a terrible time till they already say him too enough. So going to take a miracle till they already say something spectacular going to happen regarding crime or economy. And him already claims to them take some of the best and send Ghana Haiti. That makes sense. Meanwhile, you're fighting to come off of the murder charge that you've been top 5 in from what kill Philo. Let's just take some of your most competent personnel and send go foreign for a Mickey Mouse mission that will not do anything to fix Haiti. That makes sense. Terrorist is the type of man where people over him neighbor yard and watch his neighbor wife. Meanwhile, Joe going under killing human in the backers. And by the time he done people over the wall, when he finally look back in a female yard and he realize the house a tumble down. Choplawd, you should have keep your eye in your own backyard. Choplawd, you should have keep your eye them in your own backyard. Maybe you would have seen some of this coming. This is what happened to you guys. Too busy hunting down bloggers, remember? My trap man. GPS boss. Maybe you should have spent time tracking down the killy them. Maybe you should have spent more time fighting to get the quote-unquote axe them to where they should be. Not the half-baked thing you wanna do. And even with the half-baked thing, yes, you still get little results. The Choplawd is having a torrid time. We know the labor right guy has sweat right now. Care what them want to say. When I talk about, oh, you want a business about that, I want to, you go see what time. Maybe, me don't know. It's hard to predict Jamaican politics because Jamaican politics don't run off of logic. So it's hard to predict. Because I've seen people do some over the years, some people do some things in our politics and still go back win. So it's hard to say. And like some places you know say, once this bus out, it done. Matter of fact, it don't even reach election because man resign within the week. And that's Iron Man stay. Me see people survive much worse than this, but you can't tell me say you're not a sweat labor right guy. You can't tell me that. I've seen people survive much worse than this, but what saved enough of them people that the internet and social media wasn't as big. Dog name umbre supper because in my prime minister during the social media era, everything look louder and everything look crazier. Choplawd should have a them in your own backyard. Maybe they notice Joe grind a screechy. My screechy like the dance. Umbre dangerous man. Some of them numbers that me I see and some of them tactics that me I see. If you do them sitting there as the Prime Minister of Jamaica, that means Umbre never really believed in the transparency because if he believe in it, then that most things that somebody on the line is all catch up on him. Or maybe his hubris is so great and out of control as him think, if this bus out then, I don't know nothing because you don't know March Pen top banks. Maybe, me don't know. They must say this bigger than me and I must look at YouTube and I don't know. Maybe I saw quote unquote top man look on it. Umbre can't talk about transparency and I go on them things here and never know say transparency will go reach this and this will come out and this will go look away. If I even 1,000 Jamaican dollar and 2 stagger back, man then could have filed. They make it look too bad. The argument say everybody else do it and so do it. Everybody else is not the Prime Minister of Jamaica. When are not going to start have standards? This is a big problem with Jamaica. Jamaican standards is so low. That's why I tell you say cancer versus AIDS. Because Jamaican standards are so low. Whenever you point out something, the next thing somebody says, yeah, but what you talk about that? Them can't say, no, we're not guilty of it. Instead, them say, yeah, but talk about that man there too. So in other words, the whole away a thief here, man. What are we wicked here, man? The whole away a kill here, man. Everybody just rape a bull. If you point out, say, yo, the man over here take away. 1 7-year-old molester then killer. The answer is, so when you talk about Johnny from down the road, when you talk about that, him did do it too. That's where the standards are in Iron Man. Whatever you say to somebody, he can tell you who do it too. What about? And that's how we end up at cancer versus AIDS, because nobody raised the standards. Yo, that man that's a scammer. Yeah, but you're a guy a scammer too. It's a tit for tat. The standards low like that. But Choplawd, all time people 7 times crash, just take care, you have to go to the mineral. For time himself to one stone and a sit down in the mineral for all 10 days. So look out for the next election when you see the Brogad at get dashed way and the Choplawd at get put on. With a mad clocks on the foot. Irie. Patreon squad, big up in yourself. Yeah, you don't know, more life. Ultra squad, see you circling. Bless.